Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you through the steps on how to give access on Google Drive. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure you are logged in with your Google account. Once you are inside your Drive, find the file or folder that you want to share. When you find the file or folder, move your mouse over it and right-click. From the menu that appears, select the option that says Share. A window will open in the center of your screen. Here you will see a field where you can type the email address of the person you want to share with. Type in their Gmail address and then look at the small drop-down next to it. This drop-down lets you choose what kind of access to give. You can select Viewer if you only want them to look at the file. You can select Commenter if you want them to add comments without editing. Or you can select Editor if you want them to fully edit the file. After choosing the right option, click on the Send button. The person will receive an email with a link to the file and the access level you selected. Thanks for watching.